In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create navigation tabs in Looker Studio. Tabs make it easy for viewers to switch between pages in your report, just like flipping through sections of a website. They keep content organized, reduce scrolling, and help your audience find what they need faster. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to turn on the tabbed navigation and how it changes the way your report is experienced. Start by opening your browser and heading to lookerstudio.google.com. If you're already signed in, you'll see your reports and templates. If not, sign in with your Google account so you can create and edit reports. Don't worry about data sources right now. Our focus in this video is the layout and navigation not connecting data. Create a blank report to work in a clean space. A blank canvas is perfect for setting up navigation because there's nothing to distract from the settings we're about to adjust. If a prompt appears related to data sources, you can simply note it and continue. The navigation settings we're changing apply regardless of where the data comes from. Look toward the top right of the interface and click Theme and Layout. This panel controls the overall look and structure of your report. Theme affects colors, fonts, and styles. Layout controls the framework, things like header behavior, canvas size, and most importantly for us, how people move between pages. For this task, switch to the layout section within that panel so we can access the navigation options. Find the navigation type setting. This is where you choose how viewers will move around your report. Click the drop down to see the available styles. You may notice options like side navigation or hidden navigation, but for a clean, familiar website-like experience, select Tab. The moment you choose Tab, your report's pages will display as tabs across the top of the canvas in view mode. Each page in your report becomes a tab, making it clear and intuitive for viewers to explore. If you already have multiple pages, you'll see them appear as separate tabs. If not, adding pages later will automatically add more tabs. A few quick tips to keep your tabs effective. Keep page names short so they fit neatly across the top. Use consistent naming so users understand the progression, and make sure your theme provides strong contrast so tab labels are easy to read. That's it. Your report now uses tabs navigation. This small layout change greatly improves usability and helps your audience move through your insights with confidence.